welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made the spider from Into the Spider-Verse. So let's get started. Alright, so I got this plastic spider from a carnival, one of my kids' school carnivals, and I took it and I ripped the butt off. Just kidding, I didn't rip it off. I clipped it off and I added a large wooden bead to it, plus added another smaller bead to the head part. And I just used some hot glue to attach it. I clipped off some of the hairy parts on all of the legs. Okay, and after you get the shape you want, then you're gonna start painting. So I did a layer of black paint on the large wooden bead and the small wooden bead. And then just on the bent parts of the legs, I added the black kind of details to it, and also the tips. Set that aside and let it dry. Then I added the rest of the colors. So I started with a dark blue color and added the spots on the back of his bum area, and then the tips of his legs and the mouth part of his, the front part of his mouth area. And then I painted it a lighter blue turquoise to add more depth to it. The tips of the legs, and painted the orange stripes on the back and the orange parts of his legs, and then to add like a shine look to it, I added white paint to its legs and also its tips. And I just kind of followed the picture of the spider in, I just googled it. Okay, after that dries, you're going to want to spray it with a clear coat adhesive spray, then set that aside to dry overnight. Then you just got to add the eyes. So I used these kind of shiny black crystal eyes, hot glued that, and then some black beads for the smaller eyes. And voila, it is done. What do you think?
Papa.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this one. And if you haven't seen Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, you should go see it. It's freaking awesome.